Hi guys, my name is Christine and I am the Customer Success Manager here at Avail, and today I'm going to take you through some of the customizable payment settings that you have as a landlord. So I am within a payments tab for one of my properties at 123 Main Avenue. And I'm going to go ahead and click into my settings button. And then from here, I can see that I'm able to navigate down to the late fee automation. And this is going to allow me to either toggle this completely off, or I can make adjustments in the amount and the number of days that this will trigger after being overdue. So I currently have this set to 5 days and $50, but can easily make changes there or just turn this off altogether. I'm going to keep it on and then navigate back down to my email settings that I have for my tenants surrounding rent payments. So again, I can either toggle all of these off or just make adjustments to the days that these are actually sent to my tenants. We'll go ahead and navigate to my charge lists. So here you can see all of my charges listed, and then there is a square to the left of each of these. And I'm able to click each of these squares, all the payments or charges that I want to actually make changes to. Me and my tenant agreed to make changes to their May rent. We are going to edit the amount that's due. We agreed upon $1,200 instead of $1,500, and then it to be due on the 5th of the month versus the 1st. So I'll go ahead and save these changes. Great. And then we can see that that was able to be adjusted within my charges. So it's due on May 5th, and now it's $1,200. I could make these edits again across all of the charges due, or I can even come up here and request a new payment. So if they're a later date wanted to actually make up the difference on that payment, I could always charge them the difference and then write a description on this is a remaining payment from their May 2020 charge. But for now, I'm just going to leave that off. Whenever making changes to your charges, or if tenants are making changes to their payment, it's highly recommended to over communicate and make sure that everyone's on the same page with this. You can notify your tenants when you do make changes. And same thing, if they cancel or change anything on their payment, you will also be notified as the landlord. If you have any questions, feel free to always reach out to us. We're available 7 days a week at support@avail.co. Thanks, guys.